Hello! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 7 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this device. To turn on this smart band you will need a charging cable basically. That comes with your smart band, and what you need to do is to basically plug the smart band into a charger. Once you plug it into charger, the device will turn on automatically. So I'm gonna plug one end of the charging cable to our smart band, like this. It clips magnetically, so it only goes one way and you can just clip it. And then I'm gonna plug in the USB-A end to the charger. So give me a second. Or maybe I plug it into the, right here. The cable is quite short, so I'm not sure I can reach it. But once I plug it into the charger, the smart band will vibrate and it will turn on automatically, like this. So that's how you turn on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.